a new vertical phasing and centering machine from Taurus with a capacity of 1000 meter between center, and we can give diameters up to from 20 to 100 mm as standard. The machine is equipped with 4 numbers BD40 spindles on either side, 2 on either side, which can do phase milling as well as center drilling. The options that can be given is even with a BD50 spindle, so that you can do a phase milling of around 160 mm. The spindle is powered by a 5.5 kilowatt induction motor controlled through VFD, and the axis motors, all that is through FANUC CNC system. The machine is equipped with again a heavy duty clamping system which has a centralizing feature, so that when the component is clamped, it centralizes about the axis. Yeah, this machine is used for several automotive components like transmission shafts, camshaft, crankshaft, and any long components that requires phasing and center drilling. Chennai being a big automotive market, we are finding it, this machine is going to attract a lot of visitors, and I take this opportunity to the people in industry in Chennai to come and visit us and have a look at this product.